this. He wears red. Red is a power color. Wait, what is that? Wait, what's music? What's that about? Are you serious? What? No. What is this? Hold on, no. No, cut the music off. No. I don't. Can you tell me who you are?
I am Krampus!
Krampus?
Look at this excuse for death! Looks like the island of misfit toys found meth. Fred Claus, you unemployed piece of shit. I'm an evil demon and even I can find work. Get a job, asshole. I have the perfect job for you. You can be a plumber. Cause this place really needs a plumber. Come on. A plumber. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you not know who Krampus is? I am Krampus, helper of Santa Claus. I pull horrible pranks on little kids that are on the naughty list. The parents threaten them with my name. I chase down these little fuckers and then drag them back to hell. That's who the fuck Krampus is. Give me a naughty list and I'll treat those little bastards like it's Guantanamo Bay. You don't know me because this asshole covered it up when we came from Europe. He was worried it would scare the fucking Puritans. Can't have anyone competing with Satan over here. Oh no. Want to make sure we can scare the Christ into him. Shut the fuck up. Back to Fred Claus, that faggot. How did you even get here, you DUI king? Are there second-hand mangy reindeer that just pick you up outside of the bar? Rudolph! What a sad fucking Rudolph outfit. You don't look very Rudolph-y today. You showed us in your cartoon that the other reindeer are horrible bigots. Hell, you only had a red nose. They acted like you were a black man or something. You can fly, that's pretty sweet. Fuck off. Jack Frost. The fuck Willy Wonka movie were you in? You remind me of my long past ex-wife, Belinda Krampus. She too was one frigid bitch. It has to be so tough for you to jerk off. Not just because of how repulsive you look, but because your hand would be really fucking cold. Michael Keaton played you in a 1989 bomb movie. I didn't know you were a murderer, because that killed his fucking career. Not so little drummer boy, everyone. Who the fuck is this douchebag supposed to be? He looks like Chris Farley fucked Joe Rogan. Jesus Christ. No, really, it was Jesus Christ. What the fuck there? I really thought you'd be taller, dude. They totally exaggerate your wingspan on all those statues.